Okay, and what's the tattoo on your cheek? The one with the jewel tone? Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yes.
I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're going to get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yeah.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am. Excuse me, I don't understand.
How far did you go in school?
Ninth grade.
Okay. I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, sure.
So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases? Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them. Offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle, that's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration county court cause number 687-991, 696-305. Grand jury number 777-818. There's restitution, if any, to Ralph Sanchez and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, CATS 1 and 2, and moral recognition therapy. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense as charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
State any evidence?
Yes, state offer states that the one and attachment. No objection.
Are you proceeding to sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just asked that the court follow the agreement. This argument does, I think, want to do probation. So I think it's a great opportunity for her to maybe get some things together. And that's it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do have 2 baby girls, a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old,
Where are they?
with their father.
Why are they not with you?
Because 2 years ago, I had a fallout with drugs. So he decided to go ahead and take baby girls. I wasn't in my right mind. I was actually like going through like mental health problems, delusions as well. But everything is well now, like with me and my daughters and with the father.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
About like 2 months ago,
Doing what?
I was cabinetry, a nation's cabinetry.
How far did you go in school?
Up to 10th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I had moved to where is it, Detroit, Michigan.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I'm not sure. I really do want to get my GED though.
Okay. And what drugs have you been using in the past?
In the past, I did meth for 2 weeks. I had got involved with it for the full 2 weeks for the fact that I was on, and when I tried it for the first time, I didn't know how to stop from it because I was awake. I was awake and I was up for all those days, and I stayed up for 2 weeks straight. And I was scared to get back on. Like I honestly, I was scared. I was losing my mother and everything just by thinking she was talking to me and things like that. And
Okay. And what's the tattoo on your cheek? The one with the jewel tone?
right here.
Yes. What is that tattoo?
Oh, it's right now. I was very drunk when I got it. I tried to take it off.
What does it
and
say?
It's not so down.
Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yes, but I'm not. I can't even feel a roach without wanting to throw up.
Okay. So, and what is up with this gun that's tattooed on your neck?
Yeah, that was okay. I was drunk. I had got this, and one. Oh, this one right here. Like you can't even tell what it is.
This might be one of the most chaotic defendants I've ever seen. Her drug history alone is bad enough, but now she's back in court acting like it's just another Tuesday. How do you have 2 kids and still live like a walking cautionary tale? She talks about her drug use like it's a fun story, not a crime. The tattoos, the laughs, the lack of remorse. It's all one long performance of bad choices. She's been in chaos for so long, she thinks it's normal, but it's not. It's heartbreaking. The worst part is the judge is offering her a lifeline, and instead of grabbing it, she's smiling through her own downfall.
Okay, so that was done while you were intoxicated?
Yes. This happened about 6 years ago.
Okay. And where is your family?
My family, my mom, she's doing her thing. She works. She's going through a divorce actually right now. My kid's father, he works. He's going to college. He goes to college. Baby girl, she's in school. My oldest, and they're doing fine. They're good.
All right. So here's the thing. They want you to take CATs 1 and 2. I'm going to give you conditions that hopefully will help you. So I'm going to give you CATs 1 and 2 right now. I'm going to make you take the moral recognition therapy, but here's CATs 1 and 2. Don't steal. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. And as a side to the class that I give people, the other thing is don't go to a place unless that person who owns the place or has control of the place invites you. Don't go if a third person invites you. And if you do show up at someplace and someone who invited you asks you to leave, leave. If you follow those rules, you will do just fine. And here's another rule as a side note. In my experience, I've discovered that nothing good happens after midnight. You have children, you need to make sure you're home before midnight. If you're home before midnight, usually nothing bad will happen. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The moral recognition therapy, my understanding, that's to tell you to do what's right. It's something that people should have learned in preschool, kindergarten, or at least first grade. So when they give you that moral recognition therapy, I'm sure it's going to talk to you about not taking things that don't belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is what we're going to do. It's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Taking consideration County Court Cause number 687991, 696305, Grand Jury number 777818, restitution and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. I'm going to do the UA hotline, and she needs to test at least once a week. I'm going to want sober meetings, 90 meetings in 90 days. We're going to do a TAP evaluation. Whatever the TAP evaluation recommends, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. The MRT course, 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes, triple T. Once you complete that, the entirety of the community service hours will be waived. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And there should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from me in order to be successful?
Everything, the addresses and everything's on there, right?
I'm sorry, what?
All the addresses to attend the.
Oh, they're gonna give it to you. Probation will let you know, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And this court, communication is key to be successful on probation. I require that people report. Don't turn up missing. You understand? We can go off the record. Good luck to you. I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're going to get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good.
The fact that the judge has to remind her not to touch things that aren't hers says it all. That's something you learn at age 4, not as a grown adult facing charges. It's embarrassing and honestly sad. Watching this feels like seeing someone get grounded, except the stakes are years of their life. The judge gives her deferred adjudication, a second chance most people never get. Basically, prove you can behave and walk clean. But judging by her attitude, she's not taking it seriously. It's mercy on a silver platter, but she's treating it like a suggestion.
And are you Destiny Argumeta?
No, ma'am.
Well, Amanda Destiny
Yes,
Argumeta. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Revoke I'm sorry?
Judge, really quickly, sorry to interrupt. Defense and I had spoken, I think defense had filed a motion for competency eval.
Mhm.
That's what we wanted to approach on.
Ah. So where are we on the competency?
I filed the motion. I don't know that anything has happened.
All right, when was the motion filed?
I believe it was early part of last week.
Oh, there.
Right.
Okay, thank you. All right, so it's been referred to magistrate's court. So, Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset on this. Can you let the magistrate know that she doesn't need an informal inquiry, that she just needs an evaluation?
Your Honor, we'd actually, in speaking with the prosecutor and with my client, we'd actually like to withdraw that motion. We feel that she just did not understand the questions and was very nervous that day.
Okay, all right. We're on the record then. Are you Amanda or Destiny Argametta?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Do you know who your attorney is?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your attorney?
It's hard to pronounce her last name.
Okay, what's her first name?
Sorry.
Can you point to your attorney? Who is your attorney? All right. Have you had a chance to discuss her and discuss your case?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you on probation for?
Unauthorized use of vehicle.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am.
No, who is actually trying to prove that you violated the conditions of your probation?
Excuse me, I don't understand.
All right. How far did you go in school?
Ninth grade.
Okay. All right. You're on probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You understand, you told me you're on probation for an unauthorized use of a vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your range of punishment?
It was 2 years of probation and parenting classes.
All right. If I were to send you to prison or to the state jail facility, how much time could I give you?
It was 2 years.
Okay. So, with regards to this motion to revoke,
Yes, ma'am.
who has to prove to the court that you didn't do what you were supposed to do on a motion to revoke?
Myself.
I'm sorry?
Myself.
Okay. I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So this is going to be set for a evaluation. Ms. Ferguson, what date can we bring this back?
June 15th.
All right. So we're going to recall it back for June 15th.
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
Ms. Ferguson, if you will again, just let them know that there's no need for an informal inquiry. The court is requesting that the evaluation be done. Argametta, could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
defense?
John Young for the defense.
And are you are you Miss Argametta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Amanda Argametta who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 11474W for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on December 6, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of March 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Amanda Armagetto.
Argumento.
Okay, I can't say that. Committed the offense of theft, 2,500 to 30,000 vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the
No.
waivers?
What we're asking.
No, any objections to the waivers? All right, Ms. Argamento, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court would find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
Well, that didn't last long. She's already back in court, still laughing like it's funny. You can't fix someone who refuses to learn. The judge looks done, and honestly, I don't blame them. She's had every chance and wasted all of them. Turns out she only made it to the 9th grade, and it shows. She's been stuck in that same mindset ever since. At this point, she needs a full evaluation because either she's pretending to be clueless or she really is. And to top it off, she violated probation again for theft. You've got to be seriously disconnected from reality to keep doing this.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, there was an agreement in that they were going to TIC and dismiss the new charge.
That is correct.
She is requesting the court to allow her to stay on probation. I would submit, whoops, I can't get around here.
Mhm.
With 4 documents, their certificates of classes she's attended while she's been in the jail. As we said earlier, Your Honor, this young lady had been evaluated for competency, was found competent. She wants to stay on probation, and what she would like to do is have you put her in outpatient treatment. At the same time, I've advised her that if you do keep her on probation, that there is a high probability that there would be residential drug treatment. As you can see, she's taken some anger management classes, the AA classes, and I don't understand what the other one is. It looks like it's a dignity class for women, and I don't know what the basis for that was.
All right, probation.
Probation recommendation is to revoke due to the new felony offense, and she absconded with non-compliance.
All right, Ms. Agameda, is there anything you wish to say?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Amanda Argumedo, and I would like to have a second chance on probation. I will attend the classes. I will go to everything. I was still on my drug problems like then, but I'm completely done with it. The thought of drugs, like I do not even want to think of it. Makes me want to puke. Like just thinking back and hearing my kid's voice, my daughter's voice. My kid's dad is waiting on getting back with me, getting the family back together, and I just really want to go back to that.
How old are your children?
3 and 4, ma'am.
All right, and who's taking care of them?
Their father.
All right, so were your parental rights terminated?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you just dropped them off with the father?
I decided to leave when I was on drugs, and yes, I was really bad on them, but I did stop.
All right. So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases?
I did not attend because I was just.
No, I mean, have you done anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else from either side? Any other questions?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
All right. You have a question?
Why should the judge believe that you're going to do what you have said you're going to do and that you didn't do last time?
Because I'm really committed to it. I'm honestly, and I apologize for not going to my probation and everything. Like, I apologize. I'm really committed to completing it this time.
And why did the previous attorney have you evaluated for competency?
And we didn't talk about the case, right? And
Okay. And you're not on any medication now in the jail?
no, sir.
No other questions, Your Honor?
All right. Any questions from the state?
No, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting? I know you're requesting revocation. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is going to find you guilty, and the court will not grant you community supervision. State, how much time are you asking for?
The state was requesting 12 months in the state jail facility, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, she currently has 116 days in Bexar County Jail on this case, and we're asking the court to grant her a request for 6-month sentence.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. You're still going to have to request it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Give you credit for any time served. All right, we can go off the record. So, Ms. Argumedo, I always review everything And when you were placed on deferred adjudication, and here there were several cases that were taken in consideration. And so the only thing that you've done since you were on probation with me was pick up another theft case, and you're on probation for unauthorized use. You're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them, and you can't go running on their doorstep, creating chaos and upheaval. If you get your life together, you can probably slowly enter their life. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
She's bold, I'll give her that. Asking to stay on probation after breaking it on purpose. But the judge isn't buying it. You can hear it in their tone. Zero faith in her apologies. She says she wants to be there for her kids, but if that were true, she wouldn't keep ending up back here. This isn't bad luck, it's bad choices on repeat. The judge gives her 18 months, which honestly feels generous. Probation's meant to rebuild lives, not give people unlimited retries, and she'll probably think she still got off easy. But what do you think? Was 18 months fair, or should the judge have gone harder? Let me know your take down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.